does need no introduction. Obviously, you all know who he is. A few of the younger ones might not know. So yeah, this is Ian Rush.
I used to have black hair and a moustache.
Cymru legend, like I said, he's made 73 appearances for Wales, scoring 28 goals as well. So yeah, he wanted to come over today just to wish you the best of luck for the tournament, really. So
First of all, congratulations for qualifying for the Euros. It's a great achievement. I remember when I was playing for Liverpool. And I learned something where the easiest thing was to win the league. The hardest thing was to retain it. And using a similar level now at that stage. You've qualified for the Euros and now you're learning the next stage. I think it's really impossible. Maybe one bit of advice I could give was that never come off the pitch saying, I wish I'd done that, or I should have done this and should have done that. Do it on the pitch. And you will make mistakes. But as long as you learn from them mistakes, that'll put you up that extra bit more. So that's what we're looking for. And again, it's great to see Wales. The most important part from Wales, whatever sport, people in Wales, is team spirit. You cannot buy that. If you've got a good team spirit, that can get you anywhere. So again, I'd just like to say, good luck. Enjoy the experience. Okay?
Thank you.
It's a quiet, isn't it?